Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. In today's episode, I made this double tier planter box. I really didn't have a plan today when I sought out to do this, so I thought it would be best just to shoot footage of me constructing the thing as I was building it along. So basically what I have done is created a 1 picket high box at the bottom, which was 24 inches in length by just about 24 inches in the other direction once I deducted from the thickness of my wood. And then I have a 2-tier smaller box that I have inserted in the center. I use mostly fence pickets. I had some leftover pieces of short pickets that I've used on other projects that I had kicking around, some 2x2 furring strips and some 1x3 furring strips, and a small piece of 1x2. Having this double tier will allow me to be able to plant some smaller plants around my outer edge and a larger plant here in the center. I have some leftover strawberries that I'll be putting in around the edges, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do up here yet. Plenty of room to actually stick a baby tomato or something like that. I know it's odd having a tomato and a strawberry mixed together in the same type of planter, but they actually go hand in hand as far as the growing season goes, and they both work really well in containers like this. that's pretty much all I have for you today. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you have not done so already, and share with your friends. Hope to see you soon.